Hey guys, so I'm just here on the weekly chart analysing the data for pound USD with the intention of setting a swing position that I'm going to hold whilst I go away for a week on my road trip. And looking at the weekly chart here, I'm just getting my directional bias, which is going to be long because we've been in this uptrend and we have a closing green candle on the weekly chart. So dropping down into the daily chart, again, just to confirm that we are in this uptrend, although we have dropped into the slight consolidation, we've been ranging a little bit. So I'm just going to double check and just make sure I've got the right idea here. So I can see that although we had pulled back and we had made a lower low, when we pushed up, we didn't break the high, which does lead me to think it's a downtrend, but the second low wasn't lower, and it made a double bottom, and we have actually broken that high. So I do feel like we are shifting here, and we pulled back down to the 50 moving average, but we've formed a green candle for support. So I am quite interested in taking a long position here on the break over that green candle. Using both the daily and the weekly, I'm going to risk 100 pips to make 200 pips. So I'm looking to hold this for a while now while I go away. So let's calculate the position size for this trade. In my account with the 5%ers, I'm looking to risk 0.25%, which is going to be the remaining buying that I've got left on this account. And just calculating my lot size so that I can get all this set up ready to take my trade. Now, ideally, I would love it if I could place this order, place my stop, place my target, and let the trade do its thing today. But with it being a Sunday, I believe with the markets being closed, they won't let me actually place any trades, but I will just try that out just to share that with you guys so we can see what it does. So let's place a buy stop here above the break of that daily green candle. Just referring to my plan here in TradingView for this trade. And yeah, the market's closed, so I'm not able to take that, but I have analysed, I've made my trade plan, and I know what my position size is, so I'm going to have to take this on my phone on the road. So I'm going to hit the road. Early start this morning, guys. It is Monday morning and it's time for me to place my trade using the MetaTrader 4 app on my phone. So I'm using the plan that I shared with you earlier in this video when the market was closed, and price has currently moved 20 pips from my entry, so I'm going to place a buy limit order, waiting for price to come back down to my entry from my original plan, risking 100 pips to make 200 pips. So I'm just going to set both my stop and my target here along with the buy limit order and set this in MT4. My order has been placed and I can get on with my day, enjoy my holiday and trust my plan. Doesn't he? Yeah. What are you doing? Ah! We're going to Glastonbury! Woohoo! There it is. Somerset. Welcome to Somerset. No, that's not right. I can't do accents at all. Hey everybody, so as you can probably tell, I'm back on the boat now. It is a super stormy day. I think we chose the right time to go away for our van trip. And just before I wrap up this video with you guys, I'm going to just jump onto the computer and share with you an update for the trade that I took, that I shared with you on my travels for £USD. So it is just over a week after I got into this trade. I'm still in this trade and I've decided that I am not editing this trade at all. Whether it loses, whether it wins, I'm just holding this trade and I'm just following the plan as part of the plan that I set up for the swing trade. So let's have a look at where price action is currently. So here is the daily chart for £USD, and today, as I'm recording this, is the 4th of May, Tuesday. And now that I've been in this trade for over a week, I have had those second thoughts during the week that I've been in this trade where I wanted to get out of the trade. I wanted to edit my plan. In fact, looking at the chart in front of me here, you can clearly see that I got into this trade on the 26th of April, on the Monday. And we had, from the Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4 green consecutive candles on the daily, but the range was really small. The bodies of the candles were quite small and there wasn't really any clear strength. More importantly, we didn't break this previous high. So actually, on the 29th of April, when I saw that it was closing as this slight bearish pin bar because we had this upper wick here, I really did consider getting out of this trade, taking the small profit that I was in and just bailing out. I was really close to doing that, but I decided that I wanted to just trust the plan. I was on holiday and I was trying to just demonstrate what a swing trade is like and how you can set your stop and your target and leave it to do its thing without editing it. So that's what I've done, and although I've had the temptation to get out of the trade, I have left it. I could have gotten out with it break even, I could have gotten out with a small profit, but I've left it. And as it stands today, over a week later, I am still in this trade and it's only about 10 pips below my entry, so I am currently in drawdown. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave this video here and say it's to be continued, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you the results of this swing trade on Friday when I share my weekly vlog with you guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, a little bit different, sharing my road trip with you. If you have, be sure to hit the like button below and drop us a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.